Looking for the best protein powder in 2025? Person lifting weights with so many options on the market, it can be tough to know which one actually works. That's why in today's video, we're breaking down the top 5 best protein powders of 2025, carefully selected for muscle growth, fat loss, recovery, and overall fitness performance. From premium whey proteins to plant-based choices, and even the most budget-friendly picks, we've got something for everyone. Flexed biceps. Stay tuned until the very end, because our number one choice might be the game changer you've been waiting for in your fitness journey. I mentioned be sure check the link in the description. Backhand index pointing right. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to hit the like button. Drop a comment with your favorite protein powder, and subscribe for more honest fitness reviews every week. Number 5. The Myprotein Impact Whey Protein Powder is one of the most affordable and high-quality protein supplements available in the market today. Priced around £24.99 in the UK and $34.99 in the USA for a 1 kilogram bag, it offers excellent value compared to many premium brands. This protein powder is made from 100% whey concentrate, providing around 21 g of protein per serving with minimal fat and carbohydrates, making it ideal for both muscle growth and recovery. Athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts love it because it helps to support lean muscle development, improve workout recovery, and maintain overall fitness goals without breaking the bank. Another huge benefit is the variety of flavors, ranging from classics like chocolate and vanilla to unique options like salted caramel and cookies and cream. The mixability is also impressive. It blends smoothly with water or milk, leaving no chalky texture. For those who track macros, Myprotein Impact Whey is low in sugar and calories, making it perfect for cutting phases or weight management. Plus, it's tested for quality and trusted by millions of users worldwide. Overall, if you're looking for a budget-friendly yet effective protein powder in 2025, Myprotein Impact Whey is a top choice in both the UK and USA. Number 4. The MuscleTech Nitro-Tech Ripped protein powder is a premium supplement designed for people who want both muscle building and fat loss support in one formula. In terms of price, it usually costs around £49.99 in the UK and $59.99 in the USA for a 2 pounds container, which is slightly higher than standard whey proteins, but worth it for the added benefits. Each serving delivers 30 g of high-quality whey protein isolate and peptides, ensuring fast absorption for muscle recovery and lean growth. What makes Nitro-Tech Ripped different is its unique blend that includes L-carnitine L-tartrate, CLA, green tea extract, and Coniferum robusta, a scientifically tested weight loss ingredient. This makes it ideal for athletes or fitness enthusiasts looking to build muscle while burning fat at the same time. Another benefit is that it's low in carbs and sugars, so it supports weight management without unnecessary calories. The taste is surprisingly good too, with popular flavors like chocolate fudge brownie and French vanilla swirl mixing easily with water or milk. Overall, Nitro-Tech Ripped is a 2-in-1 solution for those who want a protein powder that not only fuels muscles but also supports fat loss. If you're serious about getting lean in 2025, this product is a fantastic choice in both the USA and UK fitness markets. Number 3. The Orgain Organic Vegan Protein Powder is one of the most popular plant-based protein options in the market. Priced around £27.99 in the UK and $32.99 in the USA for a 2 pounds, 920 g, container, it's an affordable choice for anyone looking for a clean, plant-powered supplement. Each serving delivers 21 g of protein sourced from organic peas, brown rice, and chia seeds, making it a complete protein with all essential amino acids. What makes Orgain stand out is its organic certification, non-GMO ingredients, and dairy-free, soy-free, and gluten-free formula. This makes it perfect for vegans, vegetarians, or anyone with dietary sensitivities. One of the biggest benefits of Orgain is its digestive friendliness. Unlike some protein powders that cause bloating, Orgain is smooth, light, and easy on the stomach. It also includes 5 g of organic fiber, which helps with digestion and keeps you fuller for longer, great for weight management. Taste-wise, It's available in classic flavors like vanilla bean, creamy chocolate fudge, and peanut butter, and mixes well with water, milk, or smoothies. Overall, if you're looking for a clean, vegan-friendly, and nutrient-rich protein powder in 2025, Orgain Organic Protein is one of the best choices in both the USA and UK markets. Number 2. The Dymatize ISO100 Hydrolyzed Protein Powder is one of the most premium and fast-absorbing whey isolates available today. In terms of pricing, it usually retails around £69.99 in the UK and $79.99 in the USA for a 5 pounds tub, making it slightly more expensive than regular whey, but absolutely worth it for serious athletes. Each serving contains a massive 25 g of protein sourced from 100% hydrolyzed whey protein isolate, which means it's pre-broken down for super fast absorption and easy digestion. This makes ISO100 ideal for post-workout recovery, when your muscles need quick amino acids to repair and grow. It also contains 5.5 g of BCAAs, including 2.7 g of leucine, which plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. Another major benefit is that ISO100 is virtually free of fat, sugar, and lactose, making it perfect for people with lactose intolerance or those cutting calories. Despite being so clean, the taste is outstanding, with flavors like gourmet chocolate, cookies and cream, and birthday cake being fan favorites. It also mixes easily in water or milk with zero clumps. Overall, Dymatize ISO100 is one of the best protein powders for athletes, bodybuilders, and fitness enthusiasts who demand the highest quality protein for muscle growth, lean gains, and fast recovery in 2025. Number 1. The Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey Protein Powder is one of the most trusted and best-selling protein supplements worldwide. In terms of price, it usually costs around £57.99 in the UK and $69.99 in the USA for a 5 pounds tub, making it competitively priced considering its quality and reputation. Each serving provides 24 g of high-quality protein, made from a blend of whey protein isolate, whey concentrate, and whey peptides. This combination ensures both fast and sustained release of amino acids, which helps with muscle recovery, lean muscle growth, and overall performance. Additionally, it contains 5.5 g of BCAAs and 4 g of glutamine, further supporting recovery and reducing muscle fatigue. One of the biggest advantages of Gold Standard is its versatility. Whether you're bulking, cutting, or simply maintaining a healthy lifestyle, it fits into any nutrition plan thanks to its low sugar and low fat content. Taste and mixability are also standout features. Flavors like double rich chocolate, vanilla ice cream, and extreme milk chocolate are smooth, delicious, and mix easily with water, milk, or smoothies. Overall, Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard remains the benchmark protein powder in 2025, perfect for beginners and advanced athletes alike in both the USA and UK fitness markets. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.